Now, just so you know, no matter what country the military is of the United Nations, all ships, all tanks, all jets, all drones are unmarked. And when you got unmarked vehicles and you got people running around and they're going to shoot you and they're going to kill you because they were raised to think you're different from them, well, this is JADE HELM 15. And when you got all these people running across, California, Arizona, Georgia, San Francisco, Washington, D.C., because the UN decides they're going to move to China, because made in China can get all these other weapons, rocket launchers, grenade launchers. But you notice no identifying markers on Chinese, just like U.S. military, just like Russian military. Yeah, the flag, but you can take a flag down and put a different flag on it, and now it's the U.S. military, right? The Arabian military. They're just a bunch of goons, whether they're U.S. military, Navy, Army, Marines. They don't think for themselves. They do as they are told. And that's what you're up against, my non-masons of the world. And this is how we have war is murder, over and over and over. Just spending your life killing one another. And look at all them jets. So you don't need ships. Look at the jets. Do you see any Chinese marking on those jets? No, you do not. And that's how war works. You just don't put no identification marks. Finally, we got a little red star like Russia. Why is that red star still there? Don't we have those on Heineken's too? You might want to look into that satanic pentagram. Johnny Exodus, stay in level.